Hello and welcome to the Hoof GP YouTube channel. If you haven't already done it, click subscribe if you like videos about farming vlogs, about animal husbandry and animal care, beef farming and dairy farming, then this is the channel for you. Today you're joining me on the second day of a whole herd trim at a small family farm in Stranraer. Around 100 dairy cows and they're in fantastic health, as you'll see. So we're trimming about 120 cows because there's some dry cows which aren't milking right now, which are due to have calves in the next month and a half or so. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Cheers. So first jobs first, because I'm such a generous and nice kind of guy, Andy, the owner of the farmer today, had blunted his knives, so I offered to sharpen them. Only thing is, I'm extremely forgetful, so I put them on the back of the truck, and by the time I got home they'd gone. So yeah, I'm going to buy him an early Christmas present by getting him another couple of new knives. My memory I really struggle with. Believe it or not, I've got tablets that help me. Morning. £47 lighter for 2 crappy knives. Well, they're better than the ones he had. Hope you enjoy them, Andy. Usually the mornings start with a cup of tea here, which is fine by me. Well, she's happy today. Hello. I sharpened your knives.
Oh, lovely, thank you very much.
And then I put them in a plastic bag. So because I'm at the same farm as I was yesterday, luckily I don't need to set up things again. And my boots are already here. It also means I didn't need to wash anything yesterday, which is a bit of a treat for me, because normally I spend about 45 minutes to an hour just washing up. Look how shiny clean their parlour is. Oh, so clean. This sawdust is the best. It helps to keep everything dry. I know everybody always talks about washing the feet, but the object of the game is to keep everything as dry as possible, so it's safe and better to work. It's kind of dusty. So this farm's cows are extremely well looked after, and I'm sure you can see that straight away from looking at these guys waiting in our holding pen. Their coats are super shiny, they're super clean, and they're full of body and life. They really are well looked after cows. Now, the main point of this video is actually to show you how good cow flow can be if you kind of put your mind to it. So this is the first cow being loaded, and as you'll see, it's a little bit awkward getting her into the crush because she's not following any of her friends at all. So we struggle a little bit to get this first one in, and then after I've completed the trim, you'll see the next cow is loaded into the crush, ready to follow the one that's already in my crush. Now, there was no crushes or gates or anything in this passageway when I actually got to the farm, and they lifted their own crush, which is that one you see behind where I'm standing just now, into the passageway, then connected the two gates onto the end of those little passageway sort of bollards, so the breeze block walls at the end, to make a triangular pen, and it worked seriously well. The first day that we were there, between about 10:15 and about 2:30, 3 o'clock, we trimmed just under 90 cows, and the second day, which is the day you're seeing right now, we trimmed, I think it was 32 in a very small morning. So as you can see, cow flow can work really well. So I'm trimming that foot right now. You'll see me drop it. The guys will load that crush behind. So there's a cow waiting directly behind me, and then when I go to the front feet, I'll open their head gate and the cow will wander forward and they'll go to put another one in behind. So the name of the game is basically, because the cows are herding animals, they really want to be with their friends, they want to be with other cows, so they'll follow on as long as they see another cow there, especially if they think it's the way out.
You deserve some more, but still you're here, and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say, but I'm afraid, and I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. I fall into you.
So during this visit to Bridge of Aird farm, I trimmed just under 120 cows, and out of them I think there were 5 that were slightly lame. And when I say slightly lame, I really do mean just a little bit lame. So that just goes to show how good husbandry skills, great environment and great work ethic can really come together to produce great results. Their actual lameness figure stands at about 3.5%, which is far lower than the average for the UK dairy. So I am very blessed to be able to work with these great cows and great people. So just as we wrap up for the day, here's the last foot of the day, and it represents probably 85 to 90% of the feet. As you can see, it just needed a little rebalance. We'll check there's no problems in the white line, model it out, and jobs are good, and I can get tidied up for the day. So here's how I finish pretty much every job that I go to: washing down the crush, washing down all of my tools, and finally scrubbing myself. I've had an awesome day and a half here, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the video too. Routine trimming your cattle like this is fundamental to your overall herd health. So really guys, I hope you consider doing this kind of thing with your herd if you're not already doing so. Job done here at Bridge of Aird. I wish every day or every couple of days was as good as it has been here. And the sun's even come out. Anyway guys, thanks very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Keep hitting the subscribe button. I really love every one of you that has so far. Thanks again.